Typical. Right, hi, Nick from HiFi Collective here. So a customer of ours is using this Yarbo cable, which is an SP-9000PW, and he wants to use it with the Yarbo IEC connector. Now, if you look at the IEC connector, the way the actual conductors are attached to it is via this scenario. So you have a screw fix and it clamps down either side of the screw. So the question is, how do you actually connect these? There's two ways you could do it. So you could just divide the conductor like that. See, that's divided. And then pop it in between and then screw down. You could solder them, yeah, to keep them more formatted. But the issue is you kind of want them to be equal thickness, and that's the issue. So you could solder them up and then give them a squish in a vise, or I don't know, with some strong pliers. So that's one way of doing it. You don't really want to just shove it in like this and then squidge it down, because for one, you're going to struggle with a thick cable because it is quite thick, and also the pressure isn't even, unfortunately. So this is the solution. These are Furatech 4mm internal spades. I am getting the ones from Viborg, but they are kind of solid silver, so it's not a problem. They're a bit more expensive. These are about £2 a piece. So you get one of these. So here's one that's prepped. This is the earth wire. You slip it over there like that. Yep, that's all ready. And unfortunately, you're going to have to use some pliers, well, chunkier pliers than this, just to kind of clamp down on the wire. Crimping pliers would be better. You can't use these because the aperture isn't big enough, unfortunately. You could do it, but you basically have these in the middle of it all. So just some big fat pliers. You can see there's a bit of a groove there. Just clamp, crunch, 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 crunch down, and then you're in good stead. These will fit into there. So you have to open up the hole. You see that? And there's a gap. And then there's your wire. Slip it in there. So that's held. And then you screw it up. Make sure you're going the right way. It gets tighter, tighter, tighter. So you've got a nice strong join, and it's even across the whole thing. See? So that's how you do it. Ciao.